Yeah, that grand jury presentation is a much lower threshold than it is at the trial with the jury. So oftentimes they just bring in hearsay. I mean, a grand jury presentation only really requires the investigator, the lead investigator, to testify to all of the information that was uncovered during the investigation. So certainly when a witness is called, you do want to be thorough, especially on the most important parts. That where I would fall in here. I mean, this is a very, very important admission that they are relying on here, because she is with her during the search. She's with her when she finds the body, and she is attributing a statement that could be inferred to be an admission. So if I were the prosecutor, I would have presented it. But at the same time, due to the difference in procedure and the lower standard, prosecutors will be arguing it wasn't necessary at the time.
David Bruno, how do you think the Commonwealth is doing, acknowledging that they've got the burden? Karen Reed's cloaked in the presumption of innocence. It all lies on them. How do you think they're faring so far?
Well, improved. I'll say that. I mean, Hank Brennan brings a different dynamic to this presentation. And even with Jennifer McCabe, she is much more calm. She's delivering eye contact to the jury versus the feisty, fiery demeanor that she had in the first trial. I think already that is one of the big improvements from the case. And Jennifer McCabe is critical for the state's witness, that she could be relied on as a credible witness, not only because of the omission in the grand jury, but also the Google search, which is really one of the crux arguments of the defense about this Google search allegedly being done before the body was found, which would be indicia of a conspiracy if believed. Now, prosecutors, second time around, they're going to be ready on that, just like the improvement of the demeanor, and they will be arguing that it was the tab that was open in the Google search, not that it was the actual time of the Google search. And all of that relies on credibility of Jennifer McCabe, and her improvement in demeanor is an improvement for the state's case.